This is a mirror I call Serafina. I've done a couple other Serafinas, and in one case I bleached the wood, in another case I ebonized it, and the two Serafinas were not identical. And this is my third Serafina mirror, and again, it's not identical to the other two, but generally it's that shape. The shape is pleasant. It's a nice project to work on. In this case, I have a coat of rub-on polyurethane, crystal clear, and right now I'm starting to sand that first coat and check to make sure that there's absolutely no scratches in it, and then I'll put several more coats on. This is the way I've designed it to go, but it could go that way if somebody would like that. But again, that's the way I've designed it, and it's a fun project to make.